name is Ahmed Asif Rashid and we are from Sharjah American International School and we study in grade 7 and this is my friend here, Ryan Sticky. Our main goal is to make something good and cool like an electric boat out of homeful and household and useful junk, basically.
Here are the materials: a ruler, a cutter, a battery 9-volt, a permanent motor, a CD, a bottle cap, electric tape, a DC motor, a glue gun, some styrofoam, and a container much bigger than this with water.
Now I'll show you how the magic happens. First you take a marker and your styrofoam and draw an outline of the boat, how you want to make it, it depends. And first make a ruler line like this. First you can make this, it's optional, and make a line like this. And make another outline like this. Now this is going to be the shape of your boat. Now Ryan will tell you what's going to happen next.
Then we take the cutter, we cut it till the end, both sides, and then we cut a small hole here so the motor can fit.
Then you take the DC motor and you take your bottle cap and you have to cut your bottle cap from the cutter. And you have to cut 6 slots. One here, one here, one here, one here, and 2 here. Like 1 here and 1 here. 6 slots. Then you take the CD and
you cut small rectangular shapes and then stick it inside the gaps that we cut.
Then you take the hot glue gun and stick the bottle cap with the DC motor, and then you take some wires and
you take the wires. You take the battery, you keep the positive and the negative and attach it to the motor. Then it will start working. Then you keep it in the water, it will start running.
And then make sure you have all of them exactly how it happens. And then you take stuff, and after you follow our steps, you will get an electric motor, electric boat. This is the one when we cut our 6 slots. This is the motor where we told you to poke a hole and do this.
We taped it so it would be waterproof
and not get a short circuit. Make sure you make it waterproof, or else it's gonna get short circuit. And make sure you do have adult supervision. If you don't, just don't do it. And this video has been supervised by Mr. Muhammad Abu Ghanim. Okay.
We kept the tape here for design, only for design.
Okay, now my friend will show you how it works. Now it's time to test our electric boat. Now as you see, there's an electric 9-volt battery, wires, a switch, electric motor, bottle cap, and the DVD that we made 6 slots in it, and styrofoam electric tape. It's really helpful, so make sure to do that, and it's really good. And make sure to do this at home, try this at home with other supervision.
Now you keep the switch on it. Now let's test it.
Whoa, it's so nice, right?
Yeah.
And now it stops, but you need a bigger container. It's gonna turn by itself.
Remember, you need a big container and do this with adult supervision.
Yes. And this video has been supervised by Mr. Muhammad Abu Rahman. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye bye. Bye.